Navigating the world of digital banking can be a trip, with so many new players popping up everywhere. You might hear a name and wonder, where are they even from? It's a valid question, especially when you're thinking about where you put your money. Today, let's talk about Lunar Bank. So, where in the world is Lunar Bank based? The answer is Denmark. That's right, this digital-first financial institution was born in the heart of Scandinavia. They were founded in 2015 with a mission to rethink the traditional banking experience. What's really interesting is that even though they are based in Denmark, they've expanded their reach. Lunar Bank now has over 1 million users across the Nordic region, including Sweden and Norway. They're a 100% digital bank, which means you won't be walking into a physical branch. In 2019, they received their official banking license, which is a significant step for any fintech company. It means they operate on the same level as traditional banks and are supervised by the Danish Financial Supervisory Authority. This also means user deposits are protected by the Danish Guarantee Fund up to 100,000 euros, which is about 750,000 Danish kroner. So while they are a big player in the digital banking space across the Nordics, their home base and headquarters are firmly in Denmark. They've even got offices in Aarhus, Copenhagen, Stockholm, and Oslo, employing over 400 people. It's a great example of a company that's found a way to grow its presence internationally while staying true to its roots.